Hi everyone, I am Pankaj Sharma and you are watching a Tech Pankaj Sharma the YouTube channel. Now here you get the videos related to technology and mobile and phone related. Now it is my first video and today I will show you how you can use your WhatsApp in PC or laptop. There is a two case. First you have a one smartphone and you want to use that WhatsApp in your PC or laptop. But in a second case you have a no any smartphone, you have a only PC and you want to use directly WhatsApp in your PC. So in this video I will show you how you can use your smartphone WhatsApp in your PC. So let's get started. Now first you need to open any browser which you want to open. I am using Chrome browser in this video. You can also use Chrome browser or any other which you want. So first we go to browser and then search web WhatsApp. You can search web WhatsApp, then you can get the one website in the first webwhatsapp.com. First you click on it and then there is a one barcode you can see. Here is a one barcode and just everything is done in your computer. You just need to go in your smartphone. So first we need to go in a smartphone and then I will show you how you can do the another steps in your smartphone. First you can go in your smartphone and then open a WhatsApp. Which WhatsApp you can want to use. So first you can open the WhatsApp. Then you see the right side three dot which we call that the menu. So click there and then you see the link devices. So then you can see there is a one pop-up. You can use your data or Wi-Fi. So you are just clicking on use mobile data and then you see that your camera is opening and you just scan this QR code from your smartphone and after you scanning your WhatsApp in your PC. You just see your WhatsApp is transferring in your PC and you can simultaneously control your WhatsApp in your phone as well as your PC. Just you can put the name of your device which tell you later that is my laptop. So you just put here the laptop or anything which you want to put. So first click on save and then you see my WhatsApp is now working in my PC. Now I am using everything and control everything from my computer in my WhatsApp. So I hope you just like this video and subscribe my channel for future tech related videos. So thank you so much. You just subscribe my channel. We will meet again.